So we're putting this level up on this corner, and you can see where it's turned in, and I don't know why. It's weird. I don't think it's the metal, but it could be, I guess. Put it over on the sheetrock, Miguel. Move it inside. No, move it inside past the metal. Yeah, there you go. It's not as bad. So we're thinking maybe it's a metal. Okay, good. I hope it is. Is that down? Yeah. It needs to come down on the left. Wow. Half an inch?
Two more electrical issues, you see that?
Oh. Wow, was that laying up there?
Yes, sir.
That was laying up there.
Yes, sir. And there's another one over here.
Amazing what you find when you start tearing things apart. You find out when people have been bootlegging stuff or doing whatever. I did talk to the owner about this, and this was a kind of something that just got overlooked. That was just, we're not exactly sure how that happened. It just got overlooked. But this one over here, well, this is just simply unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unacceptable.